Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 25G, and today I'll show you how you can check your battery capacity. So the first, we are going to download external application of the name Ampere. It's from the Brain Trap. Let's open. Click yes, I agree, tap close, click OK in the left bottom corner. And right now when you swipe on the right, we can check maximum capacity in this place. So we got other theme of the same data. You can also check here other things if you want. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.